Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Instabridge app on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone and I'm using Instabridge application as my default home screen app. Okay, and when we click on the Instabridge application, click and hold like this. As you can see that there is no uninstall option, but wait, I'm going to try to uninstall another application. Okay, as you can see guys, when we use the Instabridge app as the default home screen, we can't uninstall any application on our Android mobile phone. And then when we go to the setting, go to the app setting and then go to Instabridge app. Wait. Okay, as you can see guys that the uninstall menu is disabled, so we can't uninstall this Instabridge application from here. Okay, and I'm going to try the other application. Okay, for the other applications we can still uninstall it from here, but for Instabridge we can't remove it from the setting. Okay, and if you want to remove the Instabridge application from your Android mobile phone, I recommend you to go to the setting again and open up the Instabridge. Okay, wait, I'm going to open up it again. Go to Instabridge app and here make sure you choose your default home app except Instabridge. Okay, I'm going to choose One UI Home, and then for my browser I'm going to select Chrome. Okay, and I'm going to go back and let's try to uninstall this application. Okay, where is the Instabridge? Okay, here you can tap and hold on it, and after that you will find this uninstall button and you can uninstall it from here. Okay, you can also uninstall this application from your Google Play Store. You can go to Play Store and search for the Instabridge application, and you can simply click on uninstall, select uninstall, and the application will be removed from your Android mobile phone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to uninstall Instabridge app on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.